Imagine asking a student to use AI, but every thought they have on fingers is slowed down not because they lacked intelligence, but because they can't type fast enough to think. But Singapore, we've achieved strong digital literacy through Smart Nathan initiatives. Students' devices, they have access to AI.
But there's a hidden bottleneck. When typing is slow, cognitive effort shifts from thinking to typing.
So hi,
We are Team ITE.
we are here to help students improve their typing fluency.
So here's our solution, introducing typemaster-ai.
Not just another typing tutor, it's an AI-powered personal coach for digital fluency.
Our platform analyzes your typing in real time.
It identifies weak keys, poor finger placement, inefficient typing patterns.
And instantly generates personalized exercises, targets drills, and adaptive feedback.
As shown in our system, users receive AI-generated practice tailored to your weaknesses, with visual keyboard guidance for correct finger movement.
To keep users engaged, we added gamified leagues, rewards and coins, leaderboards and progression, so learning become habit-forming and not boring.
AI is critical here because one teacher cannot personalize for 1,000 students, but AI can.
It scales individualized coaching, giving every learner exactly what they need at the right time.
This transforms typing from a basic skill into a gateway for AI fluency. Typemaster-ai is already a web-based platform, fully compatible with existing school devices like Chromebooks. This means no installation, no additional hardware, and zero friction to get started.
In phase 1, we will activate our rollout within ITE by organizing hands-on workshops supported by NYA student volunteers. Together, we will reach our first 1,000 students, building both skill and awareness through peer-led engagement.
We expand beyond schools, partnering with National Youth Corps and VWOs. Our goal is to reach children and youth from less privileged background, ensuring that they are not left behind in the AI era.
By improving keyboard fluency, we unlock better AI interaction, stronger digital confidence, higher productivity, and greater workforce readiness. This directly supports Singapore's smart nation vision, not just to access technology, but through mastery of it.
We are not teaching just how to type, we are enabling the next generation of AI thinkers.